Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve this problem. This is very important problem in probability. In many university, this problem is repeating. Okay, so let us see how to solve this problem. First, I will read the problem, then I will explain how to solve it. Okay. So find MGF of the random variable x equal to 1 comma 2 comma etc whose probability p of x equal to x q power x minus 1 p where x equal to 1 comma 2 etc find its mean and variance. So this is exactly the previous problem. So this is exactly like in the previous problem. So previous problem எப்படி solve பண்ணுவோம், the same concept, all those things we are going to use in this problem also. So let us see how to solve it. Okay, first what is the question? The question is mean and variance. Okay, so mean and variance, to calculate mean first we need to know what is MGF. From that we are going to find out what is mean. So first write the MGF formula. First, before we are going to start this problem, we have to make sure whether this is continuous type or discrete type. So for that we have to check out p of x is given or q of x is f of x is given. Look at the problem, it is p of x is given, so obviously it is a discrete type. So discrete type, now to calculate moment generating function, first write the formula. General formula, summation x equal to 1 to infinity e power tx into p of x. Now write what is p of x. So p of x is what? Q power x minus 1 into p. So here write instead of p of x, q power x minus 1 into p. So now you just split up p of x வந்து ரெண்டு டேர்மா ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணுங்க. q of x, this is can be written as q of x, q power x minus 1 can be written as q power x into q power minus 1. So uh, now uh, now collect x term to one side and constant term to another side. So now q power minus 1 and p is constant, that can be kept outside in the form of p by q, because q power minus 1 can be written as 1 by q. So this is p by q. Okay, right? This is p by q. Now the remaining part is what? Q power e power q into e power t the whole power x, because x is common in both terms, that can be kept outside. Now substitute the value of x in this term, then you are getting a series. From this series, which term is common? Q into e power t is common, that can be kept outside. So the remaining part will become like 1 plus q into e power t plus, this is in the form of 1 plus x square plus etc. So the 1 plus x square plus etc is equal to 1 minus x the whole power minus 1. So apply this results in this form. Here x is what? Q power q into e power t, so that I have written. Then x power minus 1 can be written as 1 by x. So this is can be written as 1 by, this can be written as 1 minus q into e power t. So p into e power t divided by 1 minus q into e power t. Now okay, now mx of t is calculated. That means moment generating function is calculated. By having moment generating function, we are going to start calculating mean value. So what is mean? D by dt mx of t. Okay, right? So d by dt is what? Mx of t, right? Mx of t, then differentiate mx of t with respect to t. It is in the u by v formula. So u by v means what? V, u by v formula is what? V u dash plus minus u v dash divided by v square. So apply this formula to integrate. So in the formula I am going to integrate after substituting all the results and simplifying. Then I get e of x equal to p divided by 1 minus q the whole square. 1 minus q is what? P. So it is 1 p divided by p square. So after cancelling 1 by p will come. Okay, right? Now to calculate variance, first write the general formula. It is v of variance of x equal to e of x square minus e of x the whole square. So d square divided by dt square mx of t is equal to. So now second, already we know the answer for this part. This part we don't know, so we have to calculate. For that write the that means the second derivative of mx of t we need. So already first derivative we have calculated. That answer is going to be differentiated with respect to t again. Then we are getting second derivative. This is the way. Okay. So now after simplifying, after applying all the results, then we are getting sorry, then we are getting E of x square is equal to p plus 2q divided by p square. Okay, clear? Now substitute all the results in variance formula, then simplify it, then finally we are getting variance is equal to q divided by p square. Okay, I hope you have understood clearly about how to solve this problem. Dear student, this is very important problem. If you have any doubt on this problem, please text me or comment me. I will make more clear. Okay, thank you.